Hi everyone, this is Jagdsh from Milan. I'm happy to say that I got my folio rosa on 26 November 2024 thanks to Mr. Ambrish sir's techniques and methods which proved to be very effective in preparing me and passing my theory exam. I got to know about Mr. Ambrish sir class through an social media platform called Reddit. There it was just a YouTube link. When I went through his YouTube videos, it gave me a confidence that as a foreigner living in Italy, we can get an driving license. So it was a hard journey, preparing for the test, taking the SCADAs. Every time he would always run behind you to make sure that you are taking the SCADAs and make sure that you are passing the exam. So when I said I passed the exam, he was the happiest person. He cares so much for his students, each and every one of his students. He cares so much for each and for every one of his students that he gets the happiness when his students passes. So it's very rare that we get a teacher like this for our driving license. Thank you to Mr. Ambrish sir class.